what next I should do. I think I'm gonna just make a test stage with the floor. The main point of this tactics RPG is that it has all the, the field is not flat. It has steps. Some tiles are higher than the others. So this height of each step makes a big difference in game scenario. I would need types anyways, right? And types in tile.ts export. What's the database? Tile. Okay, so tile would have a position x number, y number, z number. That's it. .ts export const test stage x and z and y. X is a number or null, and it's actually null initially. Is this how I was supposed to write the function? I thought so. Okay, so x is a number required, and z is a number required, and y is declared, but its value is never read. I see what you mean. Okay, so for let I is 0, I is less than x, I plus plus. What I'm creating is return the array of the tile information for the test stage. Okay, so let stage tiles is an array. Okay, and stage tiles push condition x equals I, z equals j, and y is, I think I'm just gonna math random times, it's difficult. How do you define a step? So let's stick to a meter. A meter for math round. So it's a 1 to 4 times 0.25. Right, 0. Okay, return stage tiles. Let's see how it goes. Test stage. Let stage be test stage. 10 meters by 10 meter. Okay. Test stage is stage. Okay, so I got an error. What's that? Test stage is not defined. Why is that? Test. Yeah, test stage. K is not defined. But K. I didn't write that. Okay, so here you have the tile, right? Stage tiles. Each stage tiles as tile. Each and a claim position, tile position, width, height, color, and rotation, because it's gonna be a wall if it's an original. Needs to be unique. What is that? Oh, rotation. Perfect. It gave me the tiles that I wanted. And I cannot think about that. The distance is just too far away at the moment. Okay, so, and yeah, this is fair. I think I'm just gonna make a larger field. Perfect. So this is it. This is the test field that I wanted to have. And like what I'm looking at, I'm just gonna delete the environment. See, this is much better. Okay, so now I have a random environment and I can try test the movement of each characters. Perfect. I think I'm gonna stop here today because I think I've covered a lot today. Okay, so I will maybe move on to make a move function because that's the best, the best part of this game. Like it should be, each unit should be able to move around this field, and it should feel like playing a chess game because the position of each unit is very important to, in this game. So I have a map to do a test, a quick test, and I'm ready to do a test, move test. So, but if you like it, please watch the next video as well. All right, thanks. Bye.